Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Trisha from Plan with CSRD, and today we will be memory planning in my vertical planner from the 10th of December till the 16th of December. For this week we are using a mystery kit. I believe it's the October mystery kit from ScribblePrintsCo. And I'm about to show you everything that was included in the kit. So we got the little munchkin freebie. We got a tattoo sticker in the form of a bow. We got some sticky notes with the Rascock card. We got a journaling card with the bow on top of it. And then the kit itself, so it came with a couple of bow stickers with 4 girl stickers. Then the other full boxes, the deco sheet, the functional sheet, another functional sheet and sidebar stickers, all the half boxes, all the labels and little things, the full heart checklist, the washi day covers, the glitter, and it was a very nice kit to use for this week. I thought I'd use it for this week because, well, I've just started uploading Plan With Me's on a frequent base. I am uploading every week, and from this week on we will be uploading 2 times a week. So a memory spread on the Sunday in my vertical planner and a pre-plan Plan With Me on Wednesday or Tuesday, depending on which day is best for me to upload. I uploaded my pre-plan with me on Wednesday of this week, on the 12th, without a voiceover because I felt so sick on Tuesday and Wednesday, and my voice was even worse than it was last week. So I decided to upload it without a voiceover, but this week there will be voiceovers for every Plan With Me. As you can see, I have already started putting down my washi strips at the bottom of the page, and also my date covers for the week and my glitter flags. And in about a second I will also be putting down all my glitter headers. For the sidebar I chose the girl with the red brown hair because my hair has that same color as well. She looked the most like me. And for Wednesday I put down the full box with the planner on top of it because I thought it would be fun to put that down to mark down that I uploaded my pre-plan with me. Also, my page looked terrible. I messed up my page because there was another kit that was down, that was laid down for this week, but I ripped it apart just to make this Plan With Me. And for the next 2 weeks I will also be doing and uploading memory spread Plan With Me's in my vertical planner. But as you can already see, maybe for the next couple of weeks, for the next 2 weeks, I have already put down a couple of stickers, the full boxes and the basics, and I'm very sorry for that. But for the last week of this year and so on, I will be just uploading regular Plan With Me's and putting down the basics with you. For my sidebar I started with glitter headers and the habit trackers, and I put down the mask icon and the heart icon to mark down that I wanted to track my skincare and my reading. And it was Monday evening, so I had already checked off Mondays as well. And then I'm starting to mark down my work schedule, or actually the work schedule of my boyfriend, which I always track in my sidebar. And I also wanted to track my spending because I am terrible. I wanted to have a couple of sticker kits, and then Glam Planner came out with her sticker Christmas Eve box, so I also bought that one. And I really want to track my spending just to see how much I actually spent in a week in December. On to Monday the 10th, I marked down my own work hours from 8 till 4 p.m. in a work label, and then I wanted to mark down that I worked on some lesson plans, so I put it down on a quarter box label with a book icon on top of it. I decorated the hall for Christmas at work, so in school, because I am a teacher, so I marked it down with a glitter bow sticker, and I needed to mail a colleague, a parent of mine, of a child in my class that I needed to do some finances, so I mailed that to her. And then I don't know why, but my camera cut off, so I decorated the Christmas tree on Monday in the evening with my mom and my sister, so I marked it down with a Whimsical Cat Studios Christmas sticker. I washed my hair and I blow dried it, so I marked that down with an icon sticker from the kit, and I edited and filmed my pre-plan easy horizontal plan with me, so I marked that down in a YouTube sticker. Then on Tuesday evening I picked up my Aaron Conran package, which I filmed the unboxing for you guys, and maybe you've seen it in my vlog for this week. Then I took a hot bath, so I marked it down with a Whimsical Cat Studios sticker on a label. And in the morning I marked my work hours. I felt very sick, so I marked it down with a Whimsical Cat Studios sticker, and in a half box and a Coffee Monsters and Co sticker I marked down that I had a staff meeting. On to Wednesday I marked my work hours again, and I had to teach the 3rd grade all day instead of my tasks as a event manager, because my colleague was at she was at an event, so she couldn't teach. Then in a label I marked down that I edited and uploaded my pre-plan for this week in my horizontal planner with a Munchkin sticker, and I got some happy mail, so I marked it down with a Munchkin sticker as well from the freebie from the kit. In a 3-heart checklist I marked down what I got. And back to Tuesday evening, I went to bed early to sleep because I felt so sick, so I marked it down with a Sleeping Whimsical Cat Studio sticker. Wednesday evening I filmed my memory plan with me. And the last thing that I did was I cleaned my bedroom. Oh yeah, on Monday I also placed an order with Plannerface for sticker albums. I bought her small sticker albums, and then on Friday I bought her large sticker albums to organize all my sticker kits for 2019. Then I was filming on Thursday evening, so I showed you guys what I had left over from the kit, which was a lot. On Thursday I started off by marking down my work hours again on a work label, and then I put down a today header from the kit, and I wanted to mark down that I was going to teach art with a colleague of mine, so I put down a bow icon sticker to remind myself that I did that. Then in a quarter label I marked down that I took a nap, and I marked it down with a Fox and Cactus Poppy sticker. I guess it's Poppy. I think it is. Then in the evening I marked down that we had some family chill time, and I wanted to mark that down with a pink bow sticker. Then I took a fancy glitter label from the kit, and I took a TN sticker to mark down that I filled my memory spread again for the week, or for the Thursday. Then I wanted to mark down that my bill for Crest Press was due, and I wanted to mark it down on this pink label sticker, but I wrote Caress wrong, so I put down another bill due sticker on top of it, and I marked that I paid my subscription from Crest Press. And I marked down with a Whimsical Cat Studio sticker, a couple sticker, that my boyfriend Joris came home to be with me. Then on to Friday the 14th, it was my day off. I didn't have to work another day extra again. So I marked it down with a today header and a bow sticker that it was my day off. And then I believe it's on a fancy label. Yes, on a fancy label, and with a Whimsical Cat Studio sticker, which also says day off, I marked that I watched some YouTube videos. Then with a running man icon from the kit, I marked down that I walked my dog, he's called Shifu from the Kung Fu Panda kit movie. My cat has also a name from Disney. She's called Maleficent from Sleeping Beauty. So, just a side note. Then on a quarter label, I marked down that I had lunch at McDonald's, and I used this eating chicken nuggets character sticker from the Fox and Cactus. Then I did not show this sticker sheet, but it did came with this kit, and it's a sheet with foiled headers. So I took the Happy Meal header and a Fox and Cactus pajama kit character sticker to mark down that I bought myself a new pajama and some cozy socks. And then in the evening, I watched The Voice of Holland with my family, so I marked it down with a TV sticker icon. On to Saturday, I slept in until 10 a.m. And then in a half box, I marked down that I designed, printed and cut the Galentine kit that I designed myself. And with a heart icon, I marked down that I got ready for the party because it was my aunt and uncle's 30 years of marriage party. So I marked that down in a half box together with some roses deco stickers from the kit. Then I put down a phone icon to mark down that I bought a dual USB stick for my aunt. And I filmed the last part of the plan with me, so I marked that down with a camera sticker. Then on Sunday, which is today, I slept in a bit, so I marked it down on a half box glittery label with a Whimsical Cat Studio sleeping character. Then I edited my vlogs, recorded my voiceover, which I'm doing right now, and I am about to upload it as soon as I get it edited. So I marked it down with a laptop sticker. I put down a washi strip and a planner sticker to mark down that I wanted to finish my Galentine kit. And I put down a washi stripper on the bottom of the page and a family time sticker from Whimsical Cat Studios to mark that I am going to have some family time. So we are going to watch some movies and play some games. And then on the end of the page, I marked down that I needed to mail my boss. So now I'm just showing you everything that's left over, and I always have so much left over if I'm using the full deluxe kit. So I'm thinking about switching up to the smaller kits. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thumbs up. I'll see you next week. Bye!